Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. In this video, we will guide you through a step-by-step process on how to opt out of data sharing for AI training on social media platforms. First, about the browser on your PC. Use the search bar to search for data subject rights for third-party information used for AI at Meta. Then, click on the first website as shown here. Use this form to submit requests related to your personal information from third parties being used to develop and improve AI at Meta. AI at Meta is a collection of generative AI features and experiences such as Meta AI and AI creative tools along with the models that power them. Information from third parties includes what is publicly available on the internet and licensed information that someone else holds the rights to and gives Meta permission to use. However, if you have a concern about your personal information being included in a response from an AI at Meta model, you can let them know using this form. After that, mark a tick on the given box. Now, choose your country, first name, surname, and email address. Add relevant responses and a screenshot of the response. Lastly, hit the send button to opt out of data sharing for AI training on social media platforms. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.